Alright, so we're gonna wrap these. Gracie, would you hold this while I wrap the bacon oil, please?
Yeah.
It's not live, it's just... Alright, so we gotta get the bacon wrapped around the jalapeno stuffers. Alright. There we go. Usually I'd use a toothpick, but every time I do it, that wood kind of burns up a little bit. Here we are. These jalapenos. Tastes even better when you use Reaper. Problem is, for some reason, people hurt when you use Reaper. Think we should use Reaper on this one?
Yeah.
I think we'd make a lot of people mad if they ate one of those with the Reaper.
Well, they were the one that ate it.
They didn't know it was Reaper, though.
Well, they still took it.
If they don't know it's Reaper.
Oops.
Yeah, I know. So. And then what I'll do is I will get a toothpick after this, because as the fat you know what happens with the fat, right? It goes away, turns in. Okay. That's why I'm going to use a toothpick in these once I get this in there. Probably do one toothpick per one.
That's a lot of bacon.
I know, right?
I'm gonna choke.
But the thing about it is the bacon's very small. There we go. Now, I'm going to do toothpick. Always want to grab that toothpick. So put one in the middle and the end. There we are. And put in the oven. Ooh, that's looking good. It's almost ready, Grace, actually. We're going to take it out here in just a second. You can push stop.